My dear friends, today is the day. Today I start assembling this beauty. Before, as usual, I prepare the work, opening all the things, making groups of parts and saving as much plastic as I can. Perhaps for the newcomer this is a new way to organize the work. I always show when I build a new box, and this time I will show, but very quickly. You understand. You will see. I'm very happy. I was waiting for it. If you haven't seen, there's the unboxing video, link in the description. And what else? Comment, like and subscribe. Why not subscribe? Let's start the work. Organizing. For the record, this project I have to stop, as I prefer to do this one. And this is it. This is how I organize the work. This for sure I don't use. I put back in the box. All these plastic bags, one inside the other. I need 3 spare bags for the plastic that I don't use here, and for other things. I don't remember what. Yes, the body parts when I cut the body and so on. After this, we can start the game. All these bags into this. The work is not begun, and we have a lot of trash. I used to keep it. This is the warehouse. Body parts, body is another work. And plastic, all the trash, all the parts I don't use, return back into the box. Then I will store the box with all the others in my storage room. Interesting. Very interesting. 1, B, 4, 1, 2, 3. This. Attention to this one. Then 1, 2. Then M8 is here. One, two, three. Wonderful alu screws, 1 and 2. The frame, where is it? This frame, quite thick. 1, 2. Alu nuts. And this. 3 is made for radio. I would like to jump. Oh yes, I have to do it because the frame has this cage over the steering servo, so I have to do this. And to do this I need a steering servo. Oh, do I have spare steering servos? Yes or not? Not. Shit. About the radio, I have, you know, my Nobel radio, dusty Nobel radio, and 1060 Hobby Wing. This is fantastic for brushed motors, not brushless. Receiver inside this sponge, so I can put everywhere I want. And this is the kit that I carry from car to car. $30, $60 about, $90 I save on each car. And it's very easy and fast to install, less the time you need to charge the battery. By now I use just a normal nickel metal hydride, very old battery, but they are very good. This is charged, this is charged, this is okay, but I don't have the steering servo, so now I go on Amazon and look for a good, not expensive steering servo. And for today, this is all. We made just this. I'm waiting for the servo. Comment, like and subscribe. I don't find my front tires. Ciao!